Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will present you the content of mystery box from Lemoncraft. When Anna told me that January box will be slightly vintagey, I thought, oh, I need to get it because I really like vintage and shabby chic style. So I thought maybe it will be something for me. I haven't opened it yet and I haven't watched any videos showing the content because I want to see it for myself. I know that girls in Poland, they already received it, but yes, to me it came one day later, but I am super happy, and I will show you what it is inside. It's already so pretty. Oh my god, Christmas in January. Let me take it out. I don't want to rip it. Okay, look at that. Super beautiful. So it is a mystery box. This is how it's called, and it's in Lemoncraft every month with a different mood board, with a different elements, but each box is designed so you can create a lovely projects with it, and each piece you have in the box you can use, even the ribbons too, which were securing the content. So this time it's called Wooden Stories. Look at the beautiful mood board, so pretty, and there are some words from Anna. That's Anna, the owner of Lemoncraft, and some words to inspire you, and also info how you can order another box if you will like this one. So let me just, maybe I will leave it on the side, and let's see what we have. Beautiful tissue paper. I will take everything out first to get rid of that crunchy sound. Okay, and there we have it. So there is something in this pack here. On the top you can see a very pretty heart with the, how you call it, embroidery hoop, a box with flowers and other embellishments, and we have the papers. Let me start with the papers. I guess it will be lots of wooden patterns or something in brown and similar colors. So I got a sheet with clocks to cut out. This is printed on a handmade paper, I think, various sizes and colors, and another one with smaller ones. These you could use probably for the cabochons, whatever you call them. Then we have a lovely chipboard. It's a really big piece, look. It's A4 size with few swirls and elements. Then we have wood patterns 02 from Lemoncraft. We have papers in various colors of wood, you could say. And what is nice that the other side is like a printed fabric. It's like a linen texture. It's flat, but it's got slightly, it has a little bit of color to each one, so great for die cutting. Look at them. If you haven't seen ever the wood patterns, those parts from Lemoncraft, these are absolutely essential. Then we have tags and labels and lovely laces on the other side. another paper with wooden frame. It's great for the layouts. And the blue papers, this is my favorite collection, Sense and Sensibility. I just love it. Blue paper, something for me, right? I love blue. And blue always goes really well with brown. This is from the Serenity collection. Super, super pretty. And here for your like wedding projects. A little bit of pink. Next to me again with the wood. Then we have, this is an older collection from Lemoncraft, House of Roses. Probably one, the most popular, the most used collection. Then we've got another blue paper with dark brown background, more labels and beautiful leaves. Oh, I love this one as well. And this is great for the backgrounds for your projects. So these are the papers, super gorgeous. What else? Let's see. So we have a box with the embellishments, and I will maybe start with that. And then we've got some more papers here, I guess. You can use the box as well, right? You could decorate the box, or you can make a card to go into it. So here we have some branches. So you can use the leaves and you can use the pine cones. Some flowers. These are paper roses. We've got brown and like ivory color, white you could say. Absolutely beautiful. Then we've got some laces. Look at that. This is so pretty, right? Stunning piece for any wedding project. I probably will cut it into smaller pieces, but it would be amazing for a album or something bigger. Then we have some tags. So there are a few tags. You can attach them to your projects with a handmade label or something. A bag, which you could use as well, of course. Let's see what's inside. Oh, some wooden elements. I love wooden elements. I have a box with the wooden elements, and I always sort them into separate, like separate boxes, little boxes. So we've got some wood rings, wood slices you could say, and buttons in different shapes, stars, hearts, and also a plaque with a handmade writing on it, white and brown. Look at this. Super, super pretty. I love this. Just put them on the side. Then we have some strings. Ah, these are so gorgeous. 3 different colors. This is like natural, light brown and darker brown. I love strings. Then we have a lace, which is with a self-adhesive with a tape. It's like a lace ribbon. Let me just open it. Not so easy. I used to have a similar one. It's great that it has a tape on the other side, because it will be easy, you know, to attach it to your project. Great for cards, actually for any, you know, craft projects. It could go around the jar, for example. Nice that it has, and it's nice thick one. Then we have some more ribbon. Oh, these are like cotton. I think it's a cotton with a music note. So pretty. So we've got these, another piece of lace. Oh, I love that. I've never seen a something like that. So it has like a, it's like a wide ribbon ended with beautiful trimmings on both sides. Super pretty. More lace. I love how the whole box is you know, designed to like for the colors to match, for the designs and patterns to match each other, so you can create really nice projects with it. And with the next video I will be creating a project with the content of that box. I will try to create the projects only using, you know, the things in the box to inspire you, to give you an idea. Even if not this one, maybe you would like to order another one in different month. The box is only in sale for 2 weeks each month, and it's usually the second part of the month, if I remember correctly. I will provide all the info in the description box below the video, so you can come back later and see if you will be interested. Okay, last piece, a beautiful wooden heart, a very thick one as well. Then we've got another ribbon. You can see you can use everything you have in the box. Embroidery hoop, which I really like to alter. I did one, I have a video on my YouTube channel, so you can take a look. I was creating the project for Lemoncraft and it turned out super pretty. So I'm going to do this one as well. Look at that. So beautiful. Okay, then we've got a paper napkin, you could say. You can use that as well. You could wrap it around your card, around your gift, or use a piece of it as an embellishment. Then we've got self-adhesive badges, and we've got the clocks here. I love the clocks. So happy with it. It's upside down. So we've got another chipboard sheet with few elements, and it's actually how many? See, 3, 6, 8. So it's few, you know, not only for one project. And then we have some music notes. It's a paper which you can you know, use the pieces of it, or if you're doing the art journals, that would be great. We've got some more different colors, slightly different color, and more. Okay, and a big notes as well. I love that. It's you know, it's handwritten. Amazing. And we've got some like old old papers. I love that. It's like a paper, it's like a copy paper, but thicker, and you know, dyed in, like it has a splats of, it's not a coffee or tea, but something. So that's it. Yes, this is the beautiful January mystery box from Lemoncraft. Like I said, I will provide all the videos, all the details below the video, so you can take a look there and see how much it is, how much it would be postage to your country. Obviously, you know, it will be different prices to different countries, but the content is just amazing. And if you do not have many embellishments at home, that would be a great box to start of collecting some. And especially what I really like about it, that everything here match beautifully. Yes, So I'm sure the projects created with this one will be just amazing. And this is all I wanted to show you for today. I will be back soon with some inspiration for you. Let me know what do you think about the box. Let me know if you like the idea of the box at all, if you like that everything is like, you know, much the way it is. And if you have any comments, any feedback, I will be really happy to read it. I also want to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos similar to this one, to see some inspiration. I've got scrapbooking, flower making, card making videos. So yes, I would be happy if you can stay with me a little bit longer. Thank you very, very much for today. Have a lovely creative day. Bye!